Hanthana Birds Park is a recently established travel destination near the famous Kandy city. It is a superb spot for nature and bird lovers. Here you can see more than 100 different bird species, making it a must-visit destination when you come to Kandy next time. The Hanthana Bird Park is open from Tuesday to Sunday, but it is closed on Mondays. It will open at 9 a.m. to visitors and close sharply at 6 p.m. You can observe a lot of birds here. It is recorded that there are more than 100 birds, some of which are rare and native to Sri Lanka. Those are protected in cages, where you can observe them very closely. Further, you can learn about their life cycle, habitat, and behavioral facts. Some of the noted endemic birds are Sri Lanka spurfowl, Sri Lanka junglefowl, yellow-fronted barbet, etc. The park is situated near the famous Hanthana Tea Museum. It is another nice place to visit for tourists to watch the highlights of the famous Ceylon tea. The premises cover almost 27 acres of land, where you can walk around a large area while watching birds. The park also includes an educational training centre, a breeding unit, a bird orphanage, a bird shelter, a quarantine unit, a natural bird study centre, and an educational and recreational centre for school children. Further, it includes a kids' playing area, a shooting area, a small cafe, and photography areas. Hanthana Bird Park offers guided tours which are ideal for most visitors. It is well suited for family tours too. There are more than 100 workers working for the protection and care of the birds, and the park looks well maintained.